Hi everyone, in today's session we are going to discuss about commutative property of addition and multiplication. So what this states is, by changing the order, the result does not change. For suppose, we know that for addition, if there is a statement like a plus b is equals to b plus a, here if we change the order, the result does not change. That is, if we interchange these positions also, the result does not change. Let us take an example. A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4. Now, A plus B is equals to B plus A. Now, A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, and here we are changing the order. That is, B is equals to 4 plus A is equals to 3. Now what is the value? 7 is equals to 7. Hence LHS is equals to RHS. Yes. So by this what we understood, and this statement says that by changing the order, the result does not change. The changes here? No, right? So this is about addition, and let's see for multiplication. Now, A into B is equals to B into A. For suppose A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4. Now, A into B is 3 into 4 is equals to B is equals to 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Here also, the result does not change. Yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So, this commutative property of addition and multiplication says that by changing the order, the result does not change. Yes, I think everyone is clear. Remember these two statements, that is A plus B is equals to B plus A and A into B is equals to B into A. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.